Tooth replacement, a guide to understanding and options. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the term tooth replacement. This is a phrase you might hear at the dentist's office or when discussing oral health. Whether you're learning English or just curious about dental care, this video will provide you with a clear understanding of what tooth replacement involves. So, let's dive in. Tooth replacement refers to the process of replacing a missing or damaged tooth. It's not just about aesthetics, it's also crucial for maintaining good oral health and functionality. There are several reasons someone might need a tooth replacement, including tooth decay, injury, or gum disease. In this section, we'll discuss the common reasons why people opt for tooth replacement. 1. To improve appearance. A full set of teeth can boost confidence and self-esteem. 2. To enhance speech. Missing teeth can affect how we pronounce certain words. 3. To improve chewing. It's easier to eat with a full set of teeth. 4. To prevent shifting. Adjacent teeth may shift into the space left by a missing tooth, leading to alignment issues. There are several options available for tooth replacement, each with its own set of benefits. 1. Dental implants. These are metal posts surgically placed into the jawbone beneath your gums. Once in place, they allow your dentist to mount replacement teeth onto them. 2. Bridges. These are used to bridge the gap created by one or more missing teeth. They are anchored to the surrounding teeth and have a false tooth in between. 3. Dentures. These are removable appliances that can replace missing teeth and help restore your smile. Getting a tooth replacement is a multi-step process. It usually involves 1. A consultation with a dentist. 2. Preparation of the mouth, which might involve removing the damaged tooth. 3. Choosing the right type of tooth replacement. 4. The procedure itself, which varies depending on the type of replacement. 5. Recovery and aftercare. Tooth replacement is an important topic in dental health, offering solutions for those who have lost or damaged their teeth. Whether it's for aesthetic reasons, functionality, or oral health, understanding your options can make a big difference. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Remember, if you're considering tooth replacement, it's best to consult with a dental professional to explore the option that's best for you. Thanks for watching, and take care of your smile.